Awesome, guys. Welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Really happy to show you guys the squash right now. They are doing super well here in the compost. Just started with a little clip from, I don't know, maybe about a week or two ago. I'll put it on the screen. But you can see that the growth has really been explosive since they got planted. So they're doing really well. The little volunteer tomato plant's doing pretty okay too. And you can see a lot of flowers on here already. It's kind of hard to get in here, but you can see a lot of flowers in here, and in here too there's a lot right in there. So there's quite a bit of growth. It's really nice. The leaves are doing great. You got a lot of action coming this way, coming back towards the bushes in the back. I'm curious how far they'll go and how maybe this is even a little bit too close together. I don't know how well they'll take kind of growing over each other or expanding out this way. You can see out here too, it's coming this way. So I think it'll be good. I'm really happy. I'm going to overlay on the screen for you guys just a short clip of 2 squash plants that I planted in the mulch bed just for comparison. They got planted at exactly the same time, same day. They were roughly the same size too, so it was all from the same batch of seeds. They are different types, so some of that may account for the differences in the size, but I mean, there's different types here as well, and you can see that they're all doing much better than the ones in the mulch bed, and I'm pretty convinced that it's because these guys are in the compost. You can see that it's really pretty deep, even here on the edge you can see it's probably about a foot deep, and there is some wood in there that's not rotted away yet and not fully broken down, so I wouldn't say that this is like a foot of compost by any means, and some of it is definitely still kind of at the top and it's not really broken down, but yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. I would be hesitant to say that this is a success just yet, because usually I would kind of wait until the harvest of the actual fruits, but I would say this is a huge success already, in the sense that they are doing great here in the compost. And even sun-wise, shade-wise, this is probably fairly similar. This is probably a little bit shadier than the other area, but I don't think that's really the problem, because I've been watering all the locations pretty regularly, and we've had pretty okay rain. It's been intermittent, has been really hot as well, but you can see there's no damage on the other plants either, nor on these. So I don't think it's a question of getting enough water or not. I really think it's the material they have here is just that much better. So I would say this is so far so good of an experiment. I would definitely be planting more squash and pumpkins and what have you in the compost, probably in this one and in this one as well here, which is going to be our next year's ready ripe compost. So yeah, I would say this is pretty good. You could see some Jerusalem artichoke there in the back. Those are doing really well as well. So yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, guys, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in another one soon, and make sure to subscribe if you want to see how these turn out in the end. But so far so good. I'm pretty happy. I think we're gonna have a good squash and pumpkin haul this year. We'll see. See you guys.